Country people, una good evening. FM Bazo, he don't come back for school. Una sabi say that school boy, that very school boy we no attend class, but you know all teacher we absent. I want first give una good evening for that side, and yayato una once more for reference television. I want tell una say una yayato, I hope una plenty glad and plenty smile for my heart. I want salute Patron and go for that side of Cassava Farm. I want salute my serious man with the Chiwemi story for that side and serious Kongosa Dr. Movem, when I be senior doctor for Chaka for that side for Unity Quarter. I want salute all man where they look me now so for that side of Kumba, for that side of Moyoka, for that side of Eddie now, and for that side for Sokolo side day. I want salute all man where they for Newtown day, where she don't have a front TV now. Say one look schoolboy. When I say story day, bedtime short. Yes, before I go down, I go charge Mandongo. I go live for Sema give now the head story will come from my eye today. Yes, the head story for today, it go too much. But before I enter there, I go start with my Kongosa signboard. When I service the Kongosa for today, and I say they catch some boy yesterday evening with thief bike for Boya. He enter bike with shot. Thief that bike, whole shot, boom. If he say go run, but carry this for my 4 up limb here for my 4 day, they put your hand. And I saw they use and catch it. Why the other one that is struggle for saying they no right back for 7 o'clock, the boy is take 50 on achieve for 7 o'clock. I will give you another Kongosa will happen for that side of East region. Yes, for that side of East region, Chinese man, Xinjiang, move gun, shoot countryman for that side of Xinjiang. Country people for that side vex, the whole Xinjiang, kill him. When I say Chinese people know they have to die because they know the state. As they kill him, serious fight for that side, as for the Storun and also 5 of the Xinjiang them, they wound them, they don't carry them, go hospital. For that very side again, for that side for East again, what happen for that side for Waza, sorry. For Waza side there, uniform man, move gun, shoot the baby, shoot the girlfriend, shoot the girlfriend die. Now the Kongo Sawan is now here and today. But for the main head story, the way is my back today, when I get serious story, when I say serious national fire, the cash, yesterday for night for National Assembly. We will look that one, because that one are the serious head story we day. We will look that one in the proper. The second head story we day for my back, na Palava border. When I say that way, Anglophone crisis be there for serious level, for that time we've been a war, for that time we've been undone. Governor for this side of Southwest Okala the lie, the past commandeer say they so, me they lock all border them. Yes, and I saw they be locked on the 29th of September. But as I the story when I saw they don't start open one by one because the one for a cock don't be open. Say people they travel by land for a cock enter Nigeria, it don't open. We'll come up on that side, we'll go for Bui division for that side for Kumbu, with some small village there where they come and say boo, where they suffer seriously Palava Medicine and Palava Health Center. That side they so I go story when I have some non-governmental organization, it don't can help them. For say me they know they go far for go cure themselves. When we come out that side, we will enter now for Betua now. We will go see what they happen. Now Mero down at the sea and so. We will see what they happen for that side. National Road number 10. How it don't be the National Ndongo number 10. Now road that no water. When we come back for that side, we will enter Yaoundé again. We will see what they happen. Okada people over Yaoundé, they say they will serious stroking. That means they will strike, serious strike. If government no meet up with that thing, they don't ask them. That Okada people them, they join themselves with people that they drive Klando. Especially that one where they drive Klando from Yaoundé to Soa. Before I come out for inside house, I go take una enter aeroplane. We go fly. We go meet our brother for that side for Liberia. We for that side, it worry. Not before Liberia, sorry, for Libya. For Libya, on a sabi Libya, that place Gaddafi be there. Yes. That side, slave trade. On a sabi slave trade, buying and selling of human beings. It is take place for that side. When I facing a lie, inside the story details, I go tell una. So now they head to do the now I gather them, but when I sabi say school boys don't come out of school, as I told you now so my throat don't dry because Alaska no be there this afternoon. They say they know about 4 holiday then, so I no buy Alaska. So before I come back, when I call them about them, when I put them in front reference television, when I open her eye, shine them, she don't go cheer because story go plenty. Ma go charge tomorrow, don't go, I come back for say we enter the story in the proper. When I catch me some more time. Fire, 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 bring some dongo, bring some dongo. Parliament is burning, Parliament is burning in the middle night. That's what they had yesterday for that type of Yaoundé. Because around 10 o'clock, we hear a bad guy. They come and say, story boy, you sleep. I say, no, I read book for enter class tomorrow. They say, take plane. That's why I use them. I take matches. I enter. When I say that plane, no, they call and say, Coupe Maninguba Airways. As I use that plane, sharp, I don't land for National Assembly for Yaoundé. Wait here, Siam. Small size for Hellfire. My brother, I will show image. You want to know a story for Astoria? Now, so the story start for that side with serious fire for National Assembly. That one at the small picking side. As the time to go, when I will see the big mammy fire. National Assembly, when I sabi say, honorable them. All they don't go gather for National Assembly for talk palava money for vote budget. I hear say the year the budget they go vote am now 4,513 billion. Now so they go start spend am for start fix the kind has them. Now so now the place that they go she don't say they want discuss palava budget. That place catch fire, serious fire yesterday for night. I don't know what it happen, we don't know what it cause am, but they say the fire be been a wow. People holla, cafiage come out. Fire brigade they come out, they can't lose the fire, but the fire be don't chop. Siam, na National Assembly that. I'm say this one now so na national fire. Every day, almost every day when I come out at the end, only palava fire. So I don't ask myself this simple question. I say na foundation for hellfire where they want to build about Cameroon una ha because if they join all the small fire they don't catch for Cameroon. If you look and find, you see and say hellfire don't start the reach. So I ask myself, should the National Assembly catch fire? 4 different stories they've run National Assembly. Una three, they burn. Now if you imagine, to start with document away concern the country day, document away concern important thing for this country. Now they burn so as I see and so. No say no firewood the burn so kind paper then the burn. Yes. See the way they don't sign them. But the story way they didn't say we ask yourself who side this fire come out. Yes. Because the kind of place not a place where they fry jollof rice, not a restaurant, that place no get kitchen. Who side fire come out? Don't care whether they smoke that kind of thing every day. Oh, no say anything they happen fire come out. Now serious place this. Who side fire come out? It's a serious place they do one. Some people say, oh, maybe not someone can burn the fire. But I ask myself one question: how manage? Because if you go for National Assembly, you see and say serious security there. Corner National Assembly na gendarmerie mobile. They call them French mobile gendarmerie. When some serious gendarmerie they intervene quick. Now if they corner National Assembly. Opposite National Assembly, na quartier general, no na say na general quarter, na place where they keep all weapons for Cameroon. Yes, and na for they were all kind soldiers the day, just directly opposite National Assembly. For back National Assembly, more than 3 general that is stable there, we mean say we see serious security there around that place. So if na man put that fire, how he pass? Now the thing that we go ask to say. So the accident to see na waiting, an accident, or na say the security don't leak because we sabi say for this side now, let's say they don't shift all they bring over this side. If na so it don't happen, then they know say that wind they don't leak for side where they come out. Me they see how they feel arrange and back, me security they equal for all sides. My brother na National Assembly that as the bomb so. Yes. You see that fire so when you see this fire, sister, imagine how hell fire be. What's up Sape from day and day, they can't wish time. A whole town like Yaoundé where get kind fire brigade. They live and so the National Assembly born. 3 different stories they born inside this building before fire brigade the one come who can lose the fire. My brother, Mrs. I look am, my heart is caught inside. And I still ask myself question, where are we went into? Which country to go? Because if it continues so, I will ask myself plenty questions. Because the bad thing that happen for this country, and the people they pray, say this will make Jesus come, When I look am, I say and say if Jesus come, you know can't die for sins, you know can't do it back the first thing will be die for them. Because since the way they happen, it pass me. You hear say the key man for here, you hear say fire burn for here, you hear say the one. My brother live and so. Don't I think that overlook am. Me I not overlike me bad thing there. I like a story, na good story. So when I say fire the burn so my heart is spoil inside because na country they go down so in the chakara way. My brother will never know where to cause the fire. But as the story when also investigation it take place. When I sabi say parliamentarian them, all honorable them, except the one for SDF, they be there also for Yaoundé, for home jangi for palava money. But it don't mean say as that assembly don't burn so the jangi no go continue. Story enter out here say they so the jangi continue today because they give a hold on jangi for 30 days. When I know so when it concern palava money, they know the play. They must start with them from starting to finish. So now so happen for that type of Yaoundé for National Assembly, people they ask themselves question, what is taking place there? Now where to cause the fire? Now where to go up? Now where to come down? But now, as time they go small, now that time we go know where to happen. But I therefore ask the very simple question where it is still past my power. How manage fire? That kind of fire. I hear say fire we don't fair burn for that very National Assembly for 2013. They don't be bad like kind one. But what will happen for instead of modern time where fire not instead need for cash? What will happen before this kind of fire catch for this kind of time 2017? 4 years again, 4 years in front, where normally all things don't develop. what will happen. So they still ask that question because a very simple and a very difficult question. That way, the answer no go easy for get them. But as a story una, the Njangi still go on for that side and all things they happen in the proper. They don't lose the fire now, but serious damage is the big day. Una see them una see them. If you see that kind of fire, if you imagine the kind of damage will take place for that place. So now so a day, people they live that side, they be cry, they be holler, say why yo, the fire burn no. Well, but through a street go past and say, no man will be die for that fire. Now only property they be chakara, document and two they be chakara because we not say National Assembly, na place where it carry plenty document the way concerning the country. So now so happen with that side of National Assembly, we go left that story, we touch with different matters. We go come up with that story now, we go enter some different story where it be very important. The old shall go and the new shall come. When I sabi say where this Anglophone matter be start, serious problem is there for Palava border. Now you a governor, Okara Bilai, governor of the Southwest region. If you pass commander, say I said that you people should went and lock all the borders. Now so they will go lock border them. They lock one for 80 now, they lock one for that time with a cock. But as the story una now so they don't start open the border them each by each. Because governor again the past commander say they so me they go open the border for a cock, the border for land, not a border for water, land border. For people that travel by land who pass through a cock for enter Nigeria. That border where they be lock up, it don't open. So as they open that border, happy and jolly be there for that side because Nigeria people they be glad say that business then will continue. Cameroonian they be glad because when I sabi say people buy ogbono go sell on that side, buy egusi go sell on that side, so that okra will take place for that side better, people will chop better thing. Now when I show image, me they see how business people they be glad for this decision wey don't happen. Say governor don't pass commander for say me the open border. When I say I'm not happy that way, that's why we start. Now this thing so called that blocking of the border. Now that crisis that when I sabi how we 1st October the day. As it happens so, now you the pass commander say they so with the lock border. Now border that we be lock am for September 29. That's the story when now so governor don't pass commander say they so me they open that border them so that mean business start worker. They don't start now with the cock border where they don't open them. So we want 6 more time. A good go the pass go Nigeria, Okongobong pass go, all kinds of pass go, Bushman go pass go, Rapa pass enter Cameroon, other kinds small international exchange, and people they go they happy. When I say Christmas they come, so one they want so na Rapa, so one they want so na Ghanaian material. As it don't happen, as border don't open, so it shows say business go work up for that side again. So the only bet say so not only one border day because we brought out for this side for Eddie now. Then say they be cry. When I say that way, Eddie will be visit Eddie now. When I hear how that boy Eddie now they be cry, say they so they don't lock border and we know they will chop. We know they will chop because border they lock. So the only talk say they so me governor to member that side because they know say that people that side too, they need to put something for them up. Me governor member them, me they open that border, me business be worker. Because people they when they live hoop that now they find money for pay school fees for that picking them, find money for beers, find money for pay rent, find money for chop. So me they open this border them so that me business the worker. No na palava say over security. The very put security where border they open. You know go solve one problem by causing another problem. If I have a governor they don't check his self, he don't select inside and say this so this border palava na very important palava. And as I see and so it don't pass commander, I say me they open the one for a cock. So now you will only wait and we pray God say this so me the very commander work and go for the other border them when I used to say we take him up, I take the paper, he write him, he lock him. So now say happen for that side a cock, we go left that story for that side, we follow other very important story them. Leaving command for that side for a cock, we go shoot one chance enter for Bamenda. We na sabi Bui division. All this short time we don't hear about Bui division where me say we na that side for Kumbu for Bamenda day. We hear Palava school the way they don't burn up for day, Shanam the way they don't do up, they don't kill them, and so on and so forth. But today we're not talking about Palava that one. We're talking about social life for Bui division. Palava hospital. If you go for Bui division, so small village they come and say Bo. When I see that village, they get a one clinic, one health center. Where that health center, they be built for them for 2015. Now if you imagine, before 2015, Kafiash where they stay for year. Be the commot carry that people in an inside truck because that time even Okada no be fit go there carry someone in an inside wheelbarrow go there for hospital for town. But around 2015 government come there it can build a small health center but that one no be solve the problem because it like say that health center be a camouflage. If you come you can pencil that lips. Why? Because equipment they no be there for that health center. Next they no be there. No utensils, no tools, no work thing they no be there for that health center. But now as another organization don't see the palava, it don't touch the heart. My brother show that village. Most see they happen for that side. Now that una see am one health center, the biggest health center for 2015. Na Boo village that inside Boo division. One health center 2015. No tools, no utensils, no net. They just can be the heart. What are the heart begin to treat people demo? On a native doctor they begin to enter inside the heart begin treat patient demo. We don't know. Now you wait some non-governmental organization. That say organization where you no concern government. It look the matter. It touch the heart. Now you carry thing them, carry equipment them. Go jam for that hospital. You know say why man they involved. We send me the hospital try get tools and equipment the way they use them for cure sick people. They use them for make sure say me sick man no suffer for meet up hospital. Now so they go there, they put them flushing toilet. Yes, about I show flushing toilet, no na see am. They put them flushing toilet. They put them fine thing. They put the bunk bed. They buy the small tools them. But they still talk to them so now flushing toilet that. Yes, before they be using a pit toilet. See am na laboratory that not know the inside pit toilet they be using before. Before no nurse they no be. So this organization, it don't bring small thing the way they use them for that hospital for start with the treat people they small. But they talk to them so it not be enough because they will see the hospital still need more equipment because plenty people there for that side and the village in a big village where it need less more than 3 or 4 doctors and many nurses they will be there for cure sick man them. Say and I bet them that way they go give them for free of charge. Give them mosquito net. Give them one thing about the laboratory. You see, I'm picking and they have to say, okay, now if they form malaria, they still don't go to hospital, they go cure themselves. So that's what happened for that side of Bui division, and that's so it take place for that side. So we'll come up on that side now, we'll go for different story. The story we'll go there now, that's a very serious story where Mrs. F, I don't look the story, I check my head, I see and say, I don't know how it will happen. Who side will he go and who side will come out? My brother will cry for this side, they think they worry, but think they worry pass. If you see road, national road number 10, when they mean say national road, it means say na roadway, na government road, when na meme, that means na sabi meme no, konta suppose pass day. We will carry una go to Betwa. The roadway take from Betwa to Mulundu. Una go see that road, una go wash hand. My brother show that road. No, that's on story for Obatorium. See road. Na meme road that. For travel for that road, na problem. See road, small leg dey for middle road. That one and don't go on a how will not understand. Now national road number 10 that. Where me say national contact. But when I look at my eye, I see let's say the one na national construct number 10. Because no one day Mero not supposed to be so. So if you come up there to a town, say you want enter, go to the other side, passing through national road number 10. Now so you go suffer. Even Okada no fit pass, my brother. Okada no fit pass for that side because the road it don't finish. The road have chakara to the down there to the no one highway. Suited Sam the transfer. Una the enter moto, una come pack, una transfer from moto to canoe, una cross tomorrow Sam. Even Okada the enter canoe, it dey highway moto baba moto see Okada inside canoe. They cross that water with canoe. They go for the other side before they meet up road again, and then they continue the waka. It correct so. That means the bridge where it pass for that road for cross on top that small water, it don't broke for more than how many years now. They never fix that bridge. Now some people they suffer to go see that Amidebo village. But you want travel, you pass from one place, you pay toll gate. You pass from one place, you pay toll gate. You pass from one place, you pay toll gate. Money we toll gate, you work for the whole of Cameroon, they like roughly 1 billion per day. They see road where people they work at for go that village. People where they pay toll gate. For come out small Limbe go for Yaoundé, you pay more than how many targets and no fit count them. But see what did happen. Country people no fit travel go visit the Amidebo village in peace. You go pay motor, you buy life jacket. Which day you enter motor life jacket. I don't enter motor, I go this side, they tell me say buy life jacket, I know they understand. I know Sabi say some place where you go reach, you enter and don't go. You cross bridge na inside canoe. Bridge where don't broke for that side, see. And for cross the bridge, you pay another additional money where no concern your transport where you pay up before you want to come out where you come out. Who side would you go? Who side would you go? As don't hear say that they want to talk for that money, say they don't vote whether they go vote now 4,513 billion. I sure so na the city road them. Yes, you go hear say they don't vote budget, they don't vote this, they don't do this. As Cameroon another country where every time they can ping a foundation. Yes, so we have pinned a foundation. We have put how they call that thing? Foundation pillar. The end for day. You wait, not nothing. No road. They can't start work, they know the finisher. That's what happen. See an better side in an east region that. When I see how it's in the rough for that side, whose side would he go? Yes. You only hear the highway minister that they buy motor. Every year they change their motor them. Yes. They give them private car. They drive Land Cruiser. They don't flop them. They bring them Fortuner. They don't flop them. Every year they change them. Renault 607. They drive them. See road for go for village. Now for that chop they come out see that planty. You want hear that they tell you say planty for market at 8.5. How you go argue? You know how the planty come out? That planty you want pay transfer for road level 6,000. Them say they give that planty for 8.5 now serious sorry heart. Because of Cameroon you there. My brother, Cha is batting. Cha is really batting. If this is not a war, then it is endon. See road. National road number 10. When they mean say national road, it means a national conta, le hawe Yaoundé, Doualade, Limbe, Doualade. Now national construct that on a national conta. See road. For this modern time. My God. If this country don't do something, then this something will surely do this country. We're going to solve this matter. My brother, I left that palaver road too. When I look at some, I had vex. Yes, because they don't tell we say now we go be the leaders of tomorrow. Now we go arrange other road them. But as you see me so, it lets them at tomorrow road they come and overlead. So that one know the strange people, no way. Yes. How manage to stable country waiting and they so and then when I expect it will develop. You don't only hear and say this man be embezzle this amount. This man be take the one put on this side. You don't only hear up and down story them. You don't only see that BB has the bill. The sister where they come out. Now you want to look at some minister village that. Now road for some minister village that not to know they happen. My brother, that one day so you don't pass my power. Jabek left that story so left that story. We will enter different story the way they serious pass that one. When I say Okada, now some work way they over employ youth for Cameroon. If you look all the youth for Cameroon, when they don't finish school, plenty of them, more than 60%, they be self-employed. I don't mean I say they get factory. The only source of self-employment, if not na Okada, na Cobox. The one where they don't fit tired, they carry gun. When I sabi say this palava Okada, the worry. Governor don't pass command again for this side say so Okada they will stop for work for 7 o'clock for night. But for Yaoundé side day, for central region, for capital of Cameroon, it shows say council and government they over worry Okada people. Council and government don't over worry Okada people. Okada people will be host on Njangi on the 6th of November. The story council say this so if on the 21st of November reach, they never solve their problem. I go back because they will strike. All my way to go work out food. So me any man ready Ichaka. Now so it happen for that side. My brother show image. Me they see how it happen for that side. Okada people Yaoundé they strike. These people they run clando for Yaoundé too they strike. They say we see they make other papers, make other book. They went council cash them. They go still carry them go for council. Go tell them they pay money. So they maltreat them. And then they don't lie, they say they're going to control them. But me, my way, no be Okada man, or no be Clando man, me no can use Imoto, work Clando, but they know they protect them. Every day they only ask them money, say buy categories, buy the one, pay the one, pay impôt libératoire. They pay them, but they still cash their moto. They will tell they say, when I pack for you, when they go to pack for you, they can't say, they say, no correct. They can't catch their moto them, go out for mairie. When they catch their moto, then go to that side for council, instead of go pay the normal money they go pay, they go see add on the times 4. Now you vex not too much for the heart. They say this so if this thing not stop, serious strike will be. All my one go work, begin the way they want go school, need they be ready for worker. It means say school uniform go change from school uniform to PE because they will do a sport for go to school and they will do a sport for come back. Now so it happen for that side. As now you see the image and so now so it happen for that side for Yaoundé. Serious problem for that side. How people they vex, how it is in the world is so serious problem. When I see Okada people them, they hold their hands together. They know the men and Ngombele, they talk and say together as one, we don't take a decision and now so it get for B. It get for B now so if we are not solve a problem, we strike. So we call government, say government, council, I beg, when I look inside the matter. No, all for Yaoundé this thing they will limbe, it don't Bamenda. All thing now that they blame Okada man. Even strike now it happen for Cameroon here, for this type of Anglophone side here. They say some man die, they hold Okada. Some man do this. Okada now which kind of work, now bad work. No, when I say push people, they go to Okada, and therefore it's not a height for the do Okada. Now God deny me height because I stop my motorcycle, I no park fine, I fit fall. If I begin small height, I will do no okada. Because I finish school, I should don't ask for law. Thank God to say that so, my pigeon, he helped me. So I beg when I try to see this matter. When I let the palava so, let that palava okada, they come up with that image. When I see my brother, they say that they suffer for palava okada, it worry me. And then the sticker hold, they say that so, me they pay so and so document, it over worry me. Country people will come up with that side, will enter different story now. The story we go touch on now, na palava international story. Yes. When I sabi say that so, for morning time, I begin to head story say that so, slave trade, buying and selling of human being. It don't start take place again for that side for Libya. Human being don't talk in Africa. Me as I say they don't fight this thing since. Now what I show image for that side. Show image. When I see how you they tell human being them. I the one blame the people that they buy and say the human being my heart distinct some kind. Because they said my brother the way they Africa here. Waiting na the gold travel by Ben Waka. Because they no can catch no man no. Now just people the way they so they want Waka Ben Waka. They go reach now play with condition no day, no choice. The big force will act like slaves. Because we get to go out the area, they work out foot. Now what I show that image again. Then the worker will foot. Come out, say the one go one country, will foot. Say the one go cross sea, enter one country, enter Spain, enter Italy. And when they reach the border, choice no day. They go be 1 week, 2 weeks, they never chop. So one day they catch them inside water. When they catch them inside water, they will send them back. The one the way they don't come back, they will say they're slave. My heart caught. I see how they auction slaves, then they say they auction at Okikapo market. They buy for one at 340 euros. How much be that? 340 euros. You know, if it reach 210,000, they buy human being. Now goat, even mature goat, they don't sell that price. For thy place, if one buy the cheapest pig, 800,000. But they sell with brother they for Libya for 210,000. They sell the one for 150,000. Why? Now we find out. We know the country strong, and I know I blame my brother there too. I blame the people that they do handle the country. Because if we not handle this country fine in the proper, some of we they nobody run. Yes. Now if not we they say we'll die hard, say no, we'll die here. We will not run too. You will come out school, not 5 years, no nothing. You open small business, they can't finish you with tax. You open car box, they can't say they didn't put car box corner road. Move do how? Move hang for air. Move do how? See how the push will set in one way or the other, go enter shock. My brother, show me that image again. Show me that image. This team too bad. No, I finish to look at so play with them. The team that clip pass. I go like that say so when I hear how and they say bad when this Nigeria people they say I don't know Nigeria. My brother, show that image. That one for interview me hear the way the boy they talk. Say they buy we na buy am. They buy we. They say me for the man take me, I go to work for ya. My brother, show the interview.
Yeah, sure. I was sold.
What happened?
On my way coming, I was sold. Merciless beating. If you look at most of the here, if you check their body, you see the marks, they're beating. With electric, even your boots or they took something like a sharp object. Understand? Most of them lost their life there. I was there, the person who took to buy me give the man money. They took me home. So the money was not even much.
What was that story?
They took people to work by force. Even when we are working the work, they will be beating you. When you are working the work, I'm doing your work. They will be maltreating us.
When I see them, how many that boys say they buy me? They say me, I said I'm why. They say me, they carry me, give me for that man. I swear. And then as the man carry winner, would go up for us, eat the match, with the match with for that, match with them work. They say me now. When I no be tired, when I walk up Bembe Road, when I go back up Bembe Road for which? 6,000 of people they don't put the inside cage, they monkey them. Black man, which day will come up for this suffer? Which day? Now we the custom, now we the custom, now we government, now we community, now we council, we get a whole general jangi. Because I guess my friends have been telling me this why, you don't know what they happen because the way African country then they, if you don't pass this president, me they sell the country, they give any man share, any man go to own country, go begin hustle. Because they sell now the country, they give me like 50 million, and then I go find my own side on different sides. And then they do play that Cameroon lottery. People they win, they begin come now, Cameroon can make new Cameroonians. They make new president. It's not supposed to be so. Una see how people dey suffer. So one day na we. Because me I dey blame them. So when they know they come up here, they hold 2 million, they want travel. Who side they go with 2 million? Wait, you know for your country, 500,000. If you buy plot, open farm, plant planty, plant banga, plant corn, harvest am. Inside 1 year, you 200,000, you 500,000. Don't give the 2 million. You take and go buy plane, ticket, paper for travel. So when they take and say they carry with a bag work our food. Which day you want work our food? When we start work our food from one country to another, you show the white man say get power for worker, and one man will get power. Now so they go buy you too because the one that you can't use that power not for worker but for work. So now so happen on that side, and the story never gather up on today. And no story on this story on my heart because the thing the two vex me. Which country to go? Which Africa to go? Which the world to go? Where are we went into? But the people that they meet on me now FM Bazo be the story now so for reference television PG News. They are not saying when I don't come now, when I don't come late. As I used to do I go down, I drink don't go again, I clear my temper, I come back, I do not the head to read them. The way it be. So now 8 o'clock, when I go sit down before on television them again, when I call neighbor them. The one where they come late and the one where they know the day because they see they work, when I sit down, when I hear story. So before I go touch Mandongo, I come back, I can't even the head to read them before I dismiss myself. I go touch Dongo. Yes, country people, una yayato. And yayato na give plenty glad for my heart. But no na yayato time for tell una story. Na yayato time for tell una say bye bye. But before I want go, una see and say this so I will give una first the head to read the one story and today so that una know how una want catch up for evening time for 8 o'clock where they will show am back again. For the head to read about today, I be story una palava we see some Okada boy they want me then Kongusa signboard. Where the catch some boy with thief Okada for boya. The catch yesterday for my 4 for 9. We don't see Okada for boya. They run interlimbe with the Okada. I be story na how Xing Shong Chinese man. He make Xing Shong home. He move gun. He should country man for that side of East region. Country people for that side they vex. They hold the man. They beat him too. They kill him. And then serious as they day Xing Shong they want move character for fight to country people them. Country people they wound 5 of the Xing Shong them. They carry the whole go hospital. I be told now for was a side day some uniform man, he move gun, he shoot his girlfriend, and then he struggle to kill sex. But for the main story about today, I be told now for National Assembly, how a national fire they be born to for that side. I be come up for that side, I be story now see, I be story now how they run to open border the one by one because we see government the governor Okala Bilai, he don't pass order, commander say this so me they open a cock border. I be bend down as Toruna Highway, some non-governmental organization. You don't go for that type of division for some small village for day to go assist them for Saifu Health Center. I be come over that side again. I come back for Betua. I can't show now the condition for roads. Highway National Road number 10 down Chakara or it is a national construct number 10. I be finished for that side. I enter Yaoundé. I tell now how to happen. Okada people let it strike. They say they will start strike on the 21st of November if government look inside the problem. Before I end the story, I will take plane, I go for that side for Libya. To go sell on the highway, they don't go discover for that side, they still buy human being and they sell human being. And this human being, the way they buy and sell them, now brother, the way they want work and buy food, go white man country, they go tight for sea. Now every white man don't say, okay, as we run tight, we no get place to go, we go sell una for another white man them, we go work for the house. So now the story they will be gathered for down, but my number, they will have TV, one see and so, when I look at in the down there, and I will see the number. Any Congo Sawe, see and we no say no find for a Katie. Call me for that number, invite me there, I can cover them. If you already invite me, just catch them for WhatsApp, take the image, you send them for that number, I go take the Kongosa and look am. If it is correct, I go begin tell your other contributors say this so, and the thing will happen for this side for Babende, and the one will happen for this side for Alpha Club, and the one will happen for the other side. So now begin use the number. If you want to advertise your story, you get your business, so you want to say this so, me the business people they know am, now for that very number, you will get to me, and I go put your business inside my program. For send me all story today, come find what can find me, all thing they find. I will get person when I be producer and director, when I be production manager for Reference TV here, when they call him Mr. Kuma Honore. I will get person where they show, I be put camera for my eye, for say me the image enter camera, enter computer, come back for TV, muna see for heart, so they call say Monsieur Igor. I begin now when I supervise the news, say both talk the one, you don't talk the one, and the one is what I gather for you today, when I'm Mr. Tim. Also for that side for moral support and that side for say cartouche, my cartouche madam is present. Una sabi say my cartouche madam na madam Fidel. Where they make sure say the one forget am, it's in the under bench. For say my spy am as story una. For side for moral support, I get exit, I get teacher Melanie when I be the serious man wey give me international Congo for today. For here what stand on the front, me myself and I be FM Bazo alias Bali brought up. Now maybe that school boy we no attend class, but you know all teacher we no come school. For now I go drink my water, I chop my better fufu because now na weekend. I will sleep today because tomorrow be 11 o'clock, school no day. And I stay fine, God will bless you now in Jesus' name. Una keep watching reference television because after this one we get some serious program for old time Mutumbu. Una sabi that old time Mutumbu they know they will continue now for some serious program they call and say vintage. Whether one day soon Mr. Nkole Ivor he will present about una a better enjoyment. Una bye bye.